Your teen just asked you about the $1,000 baby account. Maybe they saw it on their feed. Maybe a friend mentioned it. And now you're supposed to have an answer. Here's the answer in the next 5 minutes. What this account actually is, who qualifies, what the tax catch is, and what to do if your kids were born before the window and don't qualify at all. I'm Meyer, and every number in this video was fact-checked against primary sources before I said it. First, what your teen is talking about. On July 4th, a new federal investment account went live. It's called a Section 5308 account. Every eligible baby, U.S. citizens born between 2025 and 2028 with a Social Security number, can receive a one-time $1,000 deposit from the Treasury. More than 6 million accounts have already been opened. About 1.4 million of those are for babies who qualify for the free $1,000. And here's the part the feed gets wrong. It is not automatic. Nobody's mailing you a check. A parent has to open the account through the official government portal and claim it. It's free to open. It just isn't automatic. Going forward, the government is working on tying enrollment to the paperwork you already fill out at the hospital for a Social Security number. But if your baby's already here, that's on you to set up. No income limits, no application fee. Any qualifying family is in. Parents, grandparents, anyone can add up to $5,000 a year on top. And the law requires the money to sit in low-cost index funds tracking the U.S. market. With fees capped at 0.1%, Congress pre-blocked the high-fee products. That part is genuinely good design. Now, the number your teen probably saw online, that $1,000 seed grows to roughly $490,000 by age 65. About $380,000 after taxes from free money. That math is real. We verified it. But notice it took 65 years in an average that isn't guaranteed. Some years are up, some are down. The average does the work over decades. Here's the catch your teen's feed probably skipped: the taxes. This account is not tax-free. It works like a traditional IRA. The money your family contributes was already taxed, so that part comes back clean. But all the growth and the government's $1,000 get taxed as ordinary income when it's withdrawn. Compare that to the account most families haven't heard of, the Custodial Roth IRA. Once your teen has real earned income, a summer job, documented pay, they can contribute up to $7,500 a year to a Roth. And every dollar of growth comes out completely tax-free at retirement. Same $5,000 a year. Two different tax outcomes: decades of growth, taxed, or decades of growth, tax-free. That's the whole comparison in one sentence. So here's what to actually tell your teen in 3 parts. Part 1. If there's a baby in the family born 2025 through 2028, open the account. Take the free $1,000. There's no catch to accepting it. It's a nearly $500,000 head start, about $380,000 after the tax man. If your family can add contributions, the account is a fine vehicle. Just know the growth gets taxed on the way out. Part 2. If your teen doesn't qualify, and if they're a teenager, they don't, this is the conversation starter you've been handed. Because the account your teen can open right now is better on taxes, the Custodial Roth requires one thing: earned income, a summer job, babysitting with records, a W-2. If your teen is asking about the baby account, they're already interested, redirect the interest to the account with their name on it. Part 3. The teaching moment underneath all of it. The difference between the headline and the mechanics. Your teen saw free $1,000 becomes $500,000. The mechanics are time, low fees, index funds, and tax treatment. A teen who understands those 4 things is ahead of most adults, when honest. Warning: while this account is in the news, anytime the government launches a new financial product, financial companies launch marketing around it. Watch for pitches that use this account's headline to sell something else. higher fee products, advisory services, act now, urgency. The Real account has no urgency, no fee, no salesperson needed. But it does require one action. A parent has to open it. Anyone pressuring you to move fast is selling something. Anyone telling you it happens by itself is wrong too. Here's your homework, and it takes 10 minutes this week. If your teen asked about the baby account, sit down together and open to tabs. This video's companion episode, made for them, not you, and a Custodial Roth IRA page at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Let them compare. Ask which one they'd pick and why. That conversation is worth more than the $1,000. If this helped you answer the question, the Watch with Your Teen playlist has more like it. Short videos built for exactly these conversations. See you in the next one.